So this is how you can buy coins on TikTok. Go on ahead and open up the app and go to your profile at the bottom right. See how there are five buttons at the bottom? There's home, shop, the plus button, inbox, and profile. You're gonna want to tap on profile. Now, look at the top right of the screen and then tap on the three lines. Simply tap on balance, and here you go. As you can see, I have 0 coins, but we're gonna want to tap on get coins. And here we are. As you can see, my coin balance is displayed at the top, and here is how much we can recharge. You can get 12 coins, 65, 330, 660, 1320, 3303, 6607, and 16,500. So just choose which one you want to buy, and then simply tap on recharge at the very bottom. It's going to ask you to confirm the payment, and you will be able to pay with your money. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That is how you can buy TikTok coins with money on your phone. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.